Hello friends, today I am going to explain you the summary of a very interesting story, a triumph of surgery. It was about the story of Tricky. Tricky was a small dog. His mistress pampered him very much. She overfed him. She gave him food rich with fats. Tricky never refused food any time. He was always greedy for food. He liked cream, cakes and biscuits very much. Mrs. Pamphret gave him cod liver oil and Horlicks. She gave him wine to drink. This all made Tricky like a bloated sausage. He became very lazy. He became uninterested in things. He kept lying all the day on the carpet. He had some bouts of vomitings. Mrs. Pamphret thought that he was seriously ill. She called to Mr. James Harriet, who was a vet surgeon. Mr. Harriet expected that to happen. He knew that Tricky was suffering because of overeating. He had already made his plans. He took a firm line. He said that Tricky must be admitted in the hospital for a fortnight. This suggestion made Mrs. Pamphret almost swoon. She thought that Tricky could not live even a single day without seeing his mistress. But Mr. Harriet wrapped him in a blanket, took him out of the house and put him in his car. The departure of Tricky was very pathetic. All the house was aroused. The maids were putting Tricky's things in the car. Everyone was in tears. The doctor took the dog away in his car to the surgery. When Harriet reached his home, the household dogs surrounded him. They sniffed Tricky and showed no interest in him. Till 2 days, Harriet did not give him anything to eat. He gave him a lot of water to drink. Then the doctor started giving him some light food. He gave him no medicine. After 2 days, Tricky had started taking interest in his surroundings. He mixed up with other dogs. He enjoyed being rolled over. He became the member of the gang. At home, he had almost no exercise, but at this surgery, he had a lot of exercises and fun. Controlled diet and activities made him active. Mrs. Pamphret remained anxious about Tricky's health. The doctor told him that he was better and was convalescing. This made her think that he had gone through some surgery. So she sent daily 2 dozens of fresh round eggs, wine and brandy for him, so that he might recover soon. But the doctor did not give those things to him because he really did not need this type of diet. The doctor and his partners enjoyed these eggs wine and brandy. After a fortnight, Mrs. Pamphret came to collect Tricky. She was tense and worried. She did not hope that he was all right. But when the doctor brought Tricky, he jumped at once into Mrs. Pamphret's arms. She was surprised to see all this. She said that it was a victory of surgery. Thank you, friends.